Let us discuss a topic on factorization in the 13th chapter, 14.3 exercise. Third problem, work out the following divisions. The first question is 10x minus 25 divides 5. First, we can take 10x minus 25, the numerator expression, 10x minus 25. Split into factors. 5 2s are 10 into x. 25 means 5 5s are 25. In those two terms, 5 is a common number. Taking out 5 into 2 into x, 2x minus 5. So now we take the division. 10x minus 25 by 5 is equal to, write in factor form and express in the factor form and write the factors. 5 is a one factor, 2x minus 5 is a another factor. So divide with 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are. It is equal to 2x minus 5 is the first solution. Okay. The second one is, just you listen, 10x minus 25, already we took the factors, that is 5 into 2x minus 5. Again, you can check it by the multiplication. 5 2s are 10, 10x minus 5 5s are 25. So, okay. So, 10x minus 25 is divided with 2x minus 5 equal to 10x minus 25 factors are 5 and 2x minus 5. Divide with 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 is the one factor. 2x minus 5 ones are 2x minus 5. It is equal to 5. Okay. And third one, take the numerator 10y into 6y plus 21. 10y means 5 2s are 10 into y. In the another factor, 6y means we can write in the factor form 3 2s are 6 into y plus 3 7s are 21 equal to 3 is also common from the two terms right outside. 3 into 5 into 2 into y. The remaining terms are 2y plus 7. Now we take the division. 10y into 6y plus 21 is divided with 5 into 2y plus 7 is equal to, write the factors. 3 into 5 into 2 into y into 2y plus 7 divide with 5 into 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 ones are cancelled. 3 2s are 6 into y. 6y is the result. Fourth one. The fourth one is 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 equal to 9 x square means x into x, y into y. 3z means 3 into z minus 3 into 8. 3 is also taking outside. 3 into 9 into x into x into y into y. The remaining factor is here 3 is common. The remaining terms z minus 8. Now taking 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 by 27xy into z minus 8 equal to 9 3s 27 x into x into y into y into z minus 8 by 27xy into z minus 8. Z minus 8 factor cancel, 1x cancel, 1y cancel, 27 ones are 27. The remaining are x into y, xy is the answer. Fifth one, 96 ABC into 3A minus 12 into 5B minus 30. It is equal to 96 ABC. In the first factor, 3 into A minus 3 4s are 12. In the second factor, 5 into B minus 5 6s are 30. In the first factor, 3 is common. In the second factor, 5 is common. So write outside 3 into 5 into 96 into A, B, C into A minus 4 into B minus 6. Okay. Next, take the problem. That is 96 ABC into 3A minus 12 into 5B minus 30 divide with 144 into A minus 4 into B minus 6 equal to 3 into 5 into 96 ABC into A minus 4 into B minus 6 by 144 into A minus 4 into B minus 6. B minus 6, B, A minus 4. Factors get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 48 ones are 48 2s are 96, 5 2s are 10, 10 A, B, C is the answer. What is that? 10 A, B, C is the answer. Fourth problem, divide as directed. The first question is 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x plus 1. In the denominator, 2x plus 1. In the numerator, 2x plus 1 get cancelled. What we are get? 5 into 3x plus 5. What we get? 5 into 3x plus 5. The second question, just you can check out. 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 is divided with 13xy y minus 4. You observe it. In the numerator y minus 4, in the denominator y minus 4, factors get cancelled. X cancel, y cancel. 13 ones are 13 twos are 26. What is the answer? 2 into x plus 5 is the answer. Third question, 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P is divided with 104 PQ Q plus R into R plus P. R plus P factor, R plus P factor, Q plus R factor, Q plus R factor, P, Q, Q cancel. 52 ones are 52 twos are 104. So what is the answer? R into P plus Q by 2 is the answer. Fourth one, just you observe it. 5 ones are 5 fours are y plus 4 cancel. So 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 into y plus 4. Y plus 4 cancel. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. So what is the answer? 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 is the answer. Fifth question. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divide by x into x plus 1. X factor cancel, x plus 1 factor cancel. The answer is x plus 2 into x plus 3. Fifth one, factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. The first question is y square plus 7y plus 10 is divided by y plus 5. First, we can take the factors of the first expression. We know that 10 factors means 5 twos are 10. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So we can write it as y square plus 5 plus 2 into y plus 5 into 2. What is the identity? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab equal to x plus a into x plus b. Using that identity, then we can write it as y plus 5 into y plus 2. So the division is y square plus 7y plus 10 is divided by y plus 5. The expression factors of the numerator are y plus 5 into y plus 2 by y plus 5. Y plus 5, y plus 5 factor get cancelled. Y plus 2 is the answer. That is the first question. The second question is 32. 32 factors. 2 16s, 2 8s. 8 4s, 32. 16 minus 2. 16 2s are 32. 16 minus 2 equal to 14. So now we can take the expression, algebraic expression m square minus 14m minus 32 can be written as m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. Here, first two terms taking m common, m minus 16. In the last two terms taking common 2, m minus 16. So, m minus 16 into m plus 2. You do like this, or you can do the m square minus 14m minus 32 can be written as m square plus minus 16 plus 2 into m plus minus 16 into 2. That is nothing but m minus 16 into m plus 2. You can go any one of the method. Okay. Now you can take the m square minus 14m minus 32 is divided with m plus 2 equal to the numerator expression factors are m minus 16 into m plus 2 divided by m plus 2. M plus 2 factor get cancelled. The remaining is m minus 16. Okay. Third question is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divide with p minus 1. Here 25 is 100, 20 plus 5 is 25. Or 5p square minus 25p plus 20 means we can take 5 is common. P square minus 5p plus 5 4s are 20. Okay. Here it is equal to 5 into p square minus 4 plus 1 into p plus 4 into 1. What is the identity? X square minus of a plus b into x plus ab equal to x minus a into x minus b is the identity. Using that identity, we can write it as 5 into p minus 4 into p minus 1. Now take the division. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided with p minus 1 equal to 5 into p minus 4 into p minus 1 by p minus 1. P minus 1, p minus 1 cancel. 5 into p minus 4 is the answer. Next, fourth problem. Four yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. Here, first we can take the expression z square plus 6z minus 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So it is z square plus of 8 minus 2 z plus of 8 into minus 2. It is equal to z plus 8 into z minus 2 are the factors. Now we can take 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. It is equal to 4yz into z plus 8 into z minus 2 divided by 2y into z plus 8. Z plus 8, z plus 8 factor cancel, y cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are equal to 2z into z minus 2 is the answer. Fifth one. 5pq into p square minus q square divide with 2p into p plus q. Here 5pq into p square minus q square divide with 2p into p plus q. Use the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. 5pq, p square minus q square means p plus q into p minus q divided by 2p into p plus q. P plus q factor cancel, pp cancel. The answer is 5q by 2 into p minus q. Okay. Sixth one. 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divide by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. By the same identity, a square minus b square, 9 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 16 can be written as 4 4s are 16. So 12xy into 9x means 3x whole square minus 4y whole square by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Again, use the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. 12xy, a is 3x plus b is 4y. A is 3x minus b is 4y by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y cancel, xy cancel, 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. So answer is 3 into 3x minus 4y. Okay. The last problem, seventh one. 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divide with 26y square 5y plus 7. Take the expression 5y square minus 98. Okay, 50y square minus 98. There 5y plus 7. 50 means 2s are 49. 25 is equal to 2 common. 2 25 is a 50 y square minus 98 means 2 49 is a 98. Just take 50 means 2 25 is a 98 means 2 49 is a. Okay, 2 is taking common. Now 2 5 25 means we can write 5y whole square. 79 means 7 whole square. Again, use the identity. What is the identity? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Split into factors. 2 into 5y minus 7 into 5y plus 7. Now you write in the division form. What is the question? 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7 equal to 39 into y cube 2 into 5y minus 7 into 5y plus 7 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 cancel, y square cancel. 2 ones are 2, 13s are 13 ones are 13 threes are. What is the answer? Three y into 5y minus 7 is the answer.